Welcome to Solon, India, a leader in engineering design, procurement and construction (EPC) of solar power plants, provider of turnkey solar solutions for developers, investors and institutional facilities, specialists in providing utility power, hybrid, DG networking and BESS solutions, developers of containerized solar solutions for multiple applications, from emergency rapid deployment applications to temperature-controlled installations, masters in project structuring, optimizing performance, financial and environmental returns. A 4-decade history in the sector and more than a decade of on-the-ground experience internationally in mega solar power plants. 150-strong equal opportunity workforce committed to quality and ethical practices. Carbon offset determinations and investment guidance for net zero clients committed to climate change mitigation and environmental sustainability. Member of the United Nations Global Compact. Level 2 highest qualification in the United Nations Global Markets Register. At Solon, we don't just offer solutions. We offer a promise of positive change. Connect with us to help you transform the world with sustainable green energy solutions powered by the sun. Together, we can make a lasting difference.